How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Yeah, I'm very good. I'm very good. You know what? It's afternoon time here. Since early morning, I'm just figuring out to speak with native English speaker, but I didn't get. Right now, I got you. I'm very happy.
Good.
Yeah. Basically, I'm trying to learn English, having,
Yeah.
diving into the native English speaker.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
It's
Yeah. So, what do you do for yourself?
for work.
For work? Yes, for work.
My teacher,
Pardon?
childcare teacher.
Childcare teacher. Oh, I got another Australian who is from Sydney. She also worked for childcare teacher, and she's also very nice to me. And I'm very happy to get the two teacher in this platform.
Yeah. Yeah. Wow. That's
Yeah.
cool.
Mm-hmm. Well, so it's the night time there, I think, right?
Yeah. 8:08 p.m.
808. Well, so why are you just doing makeup right now?
I have to go to one of my friends' house.
Oh, well. So, you know what? You people are really so pretty enough. With makeup or
Really?
without makeup, whatever. But in my opinion, you are very good looking without makeup.
Yeah. I just like to do my concealer.
Oh, yeah, I got you. So, how old are you?
I'm 22.
22. Well,
How old are you?
I will be 30 on this September 22.
Oh, 30.
Yeah.
Wow. Oh, that's cool.
Yeah. So you're doing makeup very fast, I think. So why are you being very hooray?
Because I've got a rush.
Oh, you got it, Ash. Well, so do you have a best friend to go with, dear?
Yeah.
Yeah, I understand. So I want to have a question.
Yeah.
First of all, I'm just asking my forgiveness. So if you mind, it is. But you know what? One of my Bangladeshi blogger who lives in Europe, they just uploaded a video about Western and European culture. But I need to be sure. I think that's the wrong idea. So this question is quite tricky question. But I'm sorry for asking this. Okay? They the boy the boy said all European and Western people doesn't use water after having shit. So what do you think about this opinion?
Well, I mean,
I think you know what I'm gonna explain you a little bit. This he said they use tissue instead of using water to weave their asshole.
well, I think water is better.
Water is better. But what do you think? Is that a
Yeah.
right? Is that a right or a wrong opinion?
Right?
Wrong. Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Yeah, I'm very happy. I was really so quite embarrassed watching that video because it doesn't
Yeah.
make sense actually. It doesn't make sense to me.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I get what you mean. Yeah.
Yeah. So we talk later on. Thank you so.
Thank you.
Okay. Thank you so much. Yes. That's for now. Bye.
Bye.